you have a error 404. Okay, we are going to solve this problem on OfferUp. Okay, the step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem. Okay, you go to the setting on your phone. Okay, go to the settings. Okay, and here you go to the on Android. You go to the apps. Okay, the section apps, and for the iPhone you go scrolling down. Okay, and you search the OfferUp. Okay, the app. Okay, here you go. Okay, here you search and you force the app and you clear cache. Okay, on OfferUp. Okay, and you solve the problem on error 404. Bye bye.